angazi guys, angazi ukuthi yini abangifake yona, bengifakelani because mina anginalutho. I'm just studying. Angiyicelelanga ukuthi ubani abe khona empilweni yami. Fine, fuck nendaba akahambi because angazi noma izinto azenza ngimina wenziwa abantu, angazi angisenandaba. So if long enza lezinto uyabona manje, I'm done. Ngiyakuyekela sis, if kuwusis or whoever, ngiyakuyeka, ngiyahamba. Ngicela ureverse lento yenze ngimina. Ngizophuma kwi-relationship, ngiyethembisa, ngibheke kusasa lo kusila, I'm going back home. Kodwa ngicela ureverse lento yenze ngimina. There was this time, guys. Ngawuthatha umbese, ne? Ngawuthatha umbese ukuthi angiwufake ngimina, and I don't know ukuthi yini ehangivimba, but it happens. So labantu abasuke beyibulala ningabajaji kakhulu. So ngiyacela bafethu, if lo ngenze lento uyabuka manje, ngiyamncenga, ngingenza noma yini, ngiyamncenga. Ngicela i-reverse into ayenze ngimina, ngingakhokha ngisho imali if I have to pay, ngicela i-reverse. Ngizokwenza noma yini ayifunayo, ngicela i-reverse into ayenze ngimina. And guys, ngicela ningirecommendele le ngaya khona ukuthi ngibe right because angiyithandi uma ngenza njena. I always break down bafethu. Bayangazi abantu, angipost mina. I never post ukuthi kwenzakalani empilweni yami. I never post. Kodwa namhlanje ngizomncenga lo muntu engingamazi ukuthi uba ngiyamncenga. Ukuthi ngicela i-reverse nangenze yona. Oh, esumndeni wami uzongilusa mina.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support. And if you are new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss anything that I'm going to upload next on this channel. Guys, yesterday a young lady by the name of Thar Ngubo touched many people with her live video crying for help. Uta guys, ubekhala ngokuthi unama suicidal thought, like uzizwe ngazuhlahlikela nawo umqondo, ugcine eseya kohlola kwabahlolayo kwathiwa ama ex endoda iganile iwona afuna ukumhlanyisa noma amphambanise nemvula. Ku live video yakhe guys ubekhala ecela lo omloyile ukuthi amkhulu, she is willing to do anything to pay her. She will even leave her fiance if that's what she wants. That video has touched many people and they tried to reach out, and indeed she is now feeling better. This is what she wrote on her Facebook page. I would like to take this opportunity and pass my gratitude to everyone. A lot has happened since this day I went live, and it's true I don't even remember being live, but I'm glad I did, because going through some comments and inboxes today I got to know that some people have went through this before and come out stronger. I'm sorry that I couldn't answer all the messages nor comment. I want to thank you for all the love and support you showed me. Honestly, angazi ngithini ngampela. I went back home yesterday and currently receiving all the help I need, and I will continue taking your advices, especially about seeing a professional too. Once again, thank you so much. And to her fiance, she wrote the following: I never thought that I would live this way where I don't have any words to say. I hope that I will remain strong so that I can cope with whatever happening. At this moment, my life is more important than anything else. I'm so sorry, forever in my heart. Then guys, yeah, uposteke isithombe sakhe nefiance yakhe bebambene ngezandla befake amaringi engagement, if I'm not mistaken. Isithelo salo guys sibuhlungu kakhulu, like usemncane muhle. I wish her a speed recovery from everything she's going through. May the Lord continue to strengthen her in Jesus' name. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion.